new project board features, and how to use them. Start by looking through our fabric selection to decide which SKU you would like to add to a project board, then click Add to Board. You can either add the fabric to an existing project board or create a new board. A green check mark will appear once the fabric is added to the selected board. The All Boards icon will take you to all of your project boards. To manage your board means that you can rearrange the project board sequence or delete an entire board, but make sure you click Save to keep any changes. Once you open up a specific project board, you have multiple icons featured. The Edit tool allows you to delete patterns from boards, rearrange fabric sequence, and gives you the option to add personal notes underneath each SKU, as you can see me doing below. Once you have completed editing your board, remember to click the Save icon, or if you prefer your board as it was before editing, you can click Cancel to undo everything. Side note, the first 3 fabrics listed will be the SKUs that appear on the main project board page. If you click All Boards, you will return to the main project board page. When you have finished editing your project board and are ready to share it, you have 3 options. The first option is to print your project board. This will include all of your personal notes added to each SKU. The second option is to share page. When you click this icon, a new tab will open up. All you need to do is copy the link and send it to however you want. And the last option is to email directly from their website. Fill out the information needed and press Send. At the bottom of the pop-up, images of the board you selected will be listed for you to confirm that you are sending the correct project board to the right recipient. After you have finished sharing your project boards, you can continue shopping by clicking the Explore Fabrics icon. Meet your deadlines by shopping our in-stock fabrics, and thank you for watching.